Indian Air Force aircraft IL-76 airlifted 4 cryogenic oxygen containers from Jakarta, Indonesia and landed at Andhra Pradesh's Visakhapatnam. Indian Air Force aircraft are constantly engaged in severe COVID-19 relief work like airlifting oxygen containers from other countries and facilitating seamless transportation of the life-saving gas within the country amidst the raging pandemic. Two IAF Force IL-76s airlifted 4 cryogenic oxygen containers from Jakarta, Indonesia and landed at Vizag. An IAF C-17 airlifted zeolite respiratory oxygen raw material from Frankfurt, Germany to Mumbai, Maharashtra. On the other hand, IAF aircraft C-17s airlifted 4 cryogenic containers from Pune to Jamnagar and 7 from Gwalior and Bhopal to Ranchi. Other C-17s are bringing 4 cryogenic oxygen containers from Vijayawada to Bhubaneswar, 6 from Chandigarh to Ranchi, 2 oxygen containers each from Agra to Jamnagar and from Hindon to Bhubaneswar, 6 oxygen containers from Hyderabad to Bhubaneswar and 2 from Jodhpur to Jamnagar. The Indian Air Force had earlier airlifted 3 cryogenic oxygen containers from Singapore and 4 from Bangkok to Panagar Air Base in West Bengal. According to Indian Embassy in Thailand, the aircraft is also carrying 30 concentrators donated by the India-Thai Chamber of Commerce. Besides Singapore and Indonesia, IAF also airlifted oxygen containers and relief materials from Singapore, Dubai, Bangkok, Frankfurt and the United Kingdom. According to Air Vice Marshal M. Ranade, the IAF has deployed 42 transport aircraft for COVID-19 relief tasks. IAF has deployed 42 transport aircraft for COVID relief tasks, including 12 heavy lift and 30 medium lift aircraft. They are used to bring in relief measures, personnel and material from abroad. So far, we have lifted about 75 oxygen containers and it is in progress. The Air Vice Marshal also said that they have always stepped up to fight COVID-19 by transporting relief materials and oxygen containers to different parts of the country. Meanwhile, India has reported 3.6 lakh new cases and 3,754 fatalities in the past 24 hours, taking the cumulative total to 2.26 crore.